Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HMD Arc phone. In this video I'll show you how to fix apps crashing on this device. Sometimes it can happen that on your HMD Arc phone applications can crash when they exceed available memory. So the first thing that you can try doing in order to resolve this issue is clearing applications cache. Let's open settings and tap apps section. Now let's open all my applications and you need to tap on the application that is crashing. Let's suppose that this is Chrome for me, for example, and you need to tap on section storage and cache and then tap button clear cache. As you can see, my cache instantly has cleared up. Next thing that you can try doing is uninstalling heavy applications. That could be social media, navigation applications, or gaming applications. So you need to delete unused applications to instantly free up your RAM memory. Additionally, you can try switching to Go versions of applications, and what I mean by that, when you go to Play Store, you can replace standard applications with lighter versions of those applications. So, for example, as you can see here, I have on my screen Maps Go application. So if you see this little word Go next to a regular application that you're used to, this is basically optimized application with lighter RAM-friendly alternative to your phone, and this will help you keep your phone run optimally. So yeah, try using those Go additions. And last but not least, you can try restarting your device, because simple restarts sometimes can help resolve some temporary glitches. And to do that, you need to press and hold power button on the right side of your screen, like this, until this menu appears. And now let's tap restart button. So wait until your phone restarts, and after this, see if that application is crashing again. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I see you in the next one.